Protozoa are the smallest animals in the animal kingdom. Their name comes from a Greek phrase meaning first animal. The three main soil groups are classified by the means in which they move: flagella, pseudopodia, or cilia. The Mastigophora move by means of 1 to 4 flagella. They usually are the most numerous of the soil protozoa and are smaller than the other two groups. They feed mostly on bacteria that decompose soil organic material. If we look carefully as we move in and out of focus, we can see the flagella by which this organism moves. Another type of protozoa called Sarcodina moves by pseudopodia, or false feet, which is a flowing of protoplasm in the general direction of travel. These organisms move much more slowly and are not nearly as apt to catch our eye. This Sarcodina is surrounded by other organisms. The larger ones are other protozoa, and the smaller ones that we can barely see are bacteria. Sarcodina consume bacteria by flowing protoplasm around them and trapping them. The Sarcodina has vacuoles or voids inside, which contain enzymes for digestion. A single cell, yet all the complexities of life. Notice the top of the screen as a rotifer moves in. This gives a good idea of size differences and an excellent example of the complexity and fascination of life in soil. The Sarcodina are usually thought to be the second most abundant of the protozoa in soil, but they are hard to pick out because of their relatively slow movement. The very small organisms that we see moving within are bacteria that the organism has entrapped. The third major class of protozoa that move by cilia are Ciliophora. They tend to be larger protozoa and comprise some of the most complex single-celled organisms known. Surrounding this organism is a series of cilia that beat in unison as bacteria and food particles move down its alimentary canal. We only see a few of these cilia at any one time because of shallow depth of field. A view under oil shows the cilia more clearly. Again, keep in mind that this organism consists of one cell and has a very simple alimentary canal. Here's another Ciliophora and the vortex it creates with its cilia for food intake.